Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to type texts and emojis in circles in text messages and comments. This video includes where and how to copy the circle character, how to make text arts by pasting the circle character with texts and emojis, how to make small text faces in circle, more text arts with the circle character, and how to save it in mobile. So let's get started now. First I will tell you how to copy the circle character. To copy the circle character, search Unicode U+20DD, copy paste on Google, then copy it from any of the websites that shows up as the search results. I will also leave some of the links in the video description for you to copy it. And you can also copy it directly from the video description if you are on the YouTube's official website and not the YouTube app. Let's paste the circle with some emojis now. Let's paste the circle character with a word now. Now let's make some small text faces in the circle. But remember, while making these text faces, make sure to use only small text symbols or else it won't fit into the circle. Now let's make something different with the circle. It can be a worm or a caterpillar. Now, as you have noticed before, if pasted alone, it looks like a half circle. However, in some devices it appears as a full circle even if it gets pasted alone. Then you cannot put texts or emojis in it. You can just put the emoji or the text beside the circle then. Now I will show you how to save it in mobile. This one mainly works for Androids. To save the circle character in mobile, first go to your keyboard settings, then go to the dictionary option, then go to the personal dictionary, select all languages, tap on the plus icon, paste the circle character, add a shortcut, and done. Now every time you type the shortcut circle on your keyboard, the circle character will appear in the suggestions, then all you have to do is to select it from there. Just like this, and done. Let's try this with some random text now. If your keyboard has clipboard in it, it is probably saved there after you have copied it. To use it from the clipboard, first go to the clipboard section of your keyboard, then tap on it. Then add some spaces and copy the whole thing. Now just keep tapping on it and Done. So I am ending this video here now. You can also make your own text stars like this with the circle.